Welcome to the financial results analysis for G M Breweries Limited for the fourth quarter and full financial year ended March 31st, 2026. The board has recommended a dividend of 90%, which is 9 rupees per equity share of face value 10 rupees, subject to shareholder approval. Total income for the quarter stood at 829.42 crore rupees, up 22% year-on-year from 703.55 crore. Other income contributed 17.33 crore to this total. Total expenses rose to 761.30 crore rupees. A major portion, 609.76 crore, was directed towards excise duty and VAT, while raw material costs were 131.31 crore. EBITDA for the quarter was 69.75 crore rupees, showing a steady performance compared to 69.14 crore in the same quarter last year. Profit before tax came in at 68.12 crore rupees, reflecting a strong sequential growth of 21% from the previous quarter's 56.13 crore. Net profit for the quarter was 54.07 crore rupees. While this is up 28% quarter-on-quarter, it saw a 10.5% decline year-on-year. Earnings per share for the quarter stood at 23.66 rupees, compared to 18.39 in the previous quarter and 26.47 in the same quarter last year. The company has floated a wholly owned subsidiary to explore real estate opportunities, investing 1 lakh rupees as initial capital. Summary: revenue grew 22% YoY, PAT rose 28% QoQ but fell 10% YoY. PAT margins contracted to 6.6% from 8.6% last year. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.